How to fix your My Location not working on your iPhone. So, this usually happens in Messages or Find My app when you try to share your location and it does not work. So, for that, first of all, open up Settings, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security, and now tap on Location Services. Inside here, make sure Location Services is turned on. Now, scroll below and then tap on Find My and make sure it is set to while using the app or ask next time or when I share. Also make sure precise location is turned on. Now head back, scroll below, tap on System Services, and just like that, make sure you tap on Find My iPhone, and then make sure it is turned on. If it's still not working, you can simply head back to Settings, tap on Screen Time, scroll below, tap on Content and Privacy Restriction, and just like that, if it's turned on, it might be blocking location access, so turn it completely. Now you can try resetting your settings. Inside Settings, tap on General, scroll below, tap on Reset or Transfer iPhone, tap on Reset, and then select Reset Location and Privacy. Enter your passcode and confirm. This will restore all of your location and privacy settings back to default, which often fixes the issue. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.